So hi, this is Srinivas. So I have actually seen Aryan Singh in YouTube, so I have taken this course. Then I have been using this course from a month, so I have been using for data analyst to know more about Excel because I had no proper knowledge of Excel. Then I have started my career through Excel, and I have been doing that every day. So then I have come to know about the advanced model of Excel, and the best moments are like with Excel. They have teach me even the statistic model, which is really beneficial for us. And there are a lot of help because of there are a lot of notes provided, and there are a lot of questions there which most of the interviews ask. It would be helpful once you have been more knowledgeable. You can actually be good once you have taken the skills out, upskill yourself. It would be even useful once you are in your job, you have some doubts, you can clear them up, you can upskill yourself every moment, because this is lifetime access with a very less cost for 999. You can choose it, you can enjoy yourself, you can do some more interactive courses. Thank you.